Welcome to part 2 of this electric car restoration or rebuild, I should say. And what I'm gonna try and do now is make sure I lower the car, so this needs to move up by about 4 centimeters. So I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna do it. I can't really move it more than this. I could chop it and then this bar gets welded to this. I'm not quite sure yet how I'm gonna do it, but in this video we're gonna figure it out. Having had a good look at this, I think what I'm gonna have to do first is remove the shaft that connects the two wheels, because that will be the limiting factor on how much I can lower it. What I want to do next is just check the diameter of this shaft and basically drill holes in here. But what I want to make sure is that it's supported here, so I can't drill a hole too high because then it won't be going through this support where the spring sits. Which provided a bit of suspension movement. So this is the lowest I could get it while still drilling through the top mount where the spring used to be in. Maybe it could have gone a tiny bit higher, but yeah, I wasn't quite sure. So I think for now this will have to do. I'll clean it up inside and then see if I can get the front wheel to a similar height. Just finished welding the steering now. So before this was coming down and kind of at this level. So what I've done is I've cut it off and welded it up here and painted it in a bit of rust protect paint. and now it's just a case of putting it all back together and seeing if it's nice and low. I've just put the wheels back on the car, and because it's so low, when it turns, it hits where the headlight used to be, so I've had to cut quite a bit out of it, and I can't put the light back on because then the light module will hit, or the wheel will hit the light module. So what I've done on this other side is basically just wrap the headlight cover in some black wrap. It's not the best of wraps, but it will have to do for this toy car. And the other one that will go here, I'll do the same. So at least, you know, they'll both be black and you won't be able to see the wheel inside. It won't have lights anymore, but I think that's fine for this car. I'm now working on fitting a speed controller in the car. So this is basically like an on-off switch, and it regulates how long the power flows through it and how long it's off for, and that regulates the speed of the motors. And the reason I'm doing that is because I'm trying to fit a bigger battery, something, I don't know, 12 volts or maybe even a lithium-ion battery from a drill or something like that. So I'll be fitting this, and then I can regulate the pulses, which controls the speed of the motor. So I've made a cut in here. This will go there, and then I'll just wire it in to the rest of the car. The display is now fitted and connected, so I can control the speed of the motor. So it can go all the way from 100 to 0. So this is what I'll use to control the speed of the motor. This kind of allows me to use up to 36 volt battery, I believe. The motors might not really last very long if I put that big of a battery, but I'm just thinking of using a drill battery. I think that's 14.4 volts, and we'll see how long they last. The wiring work is now done. So what I've done, there's a negative cable coming from the battery, which I have sliced. There's the positive cable going from the battery into this on-off switch. So I let that go into the on-off switch. Where it comes out, I've sliced it. So now this positive and negative goes to the pulse width modulator, and then the blue and white cable come back and connect into where I've sliced it. So the battery used to go here, but now that comes from the pulse width modulator. I've now wired in both motors, so there's these positive and negative cables coming in from inside the car. And what I've done is I took some of the cables from the donor car, sliced them and connected them to the power output. So now we have both motors connected. The car is on. I've still only got a 6-volt battery in here because that's the one that came with the car, so I'll need to make another wiring to fit a bigger battery, but for now this will do fine. I'll get my son to play around with it for a bit and see if it's too slow or too quick. Seems to be working though. Wait, should we see how fast it can go? Should we change it to the maximum? But you don't go far, okay? You stop quickly, okay? Okay, let's try this. Go. Try again. Should we make it a bit slower? Is it a bit too quick now? Yeah, let's try and leave it there. Try now. Is it still too quick for you? Do you want it slower? Yeah. Okay, let's go a little bit slower. Let's go now.